Kamiti ino itongoretio ni muikariri giti wayo Kwambika ni mekinyirie thibitari-ini uyu kuria makumithirie giko giki kiria kiahanikire thiku 2 hituku thutha mutumia umwe kuherwo mwana barabara-ini nja wa thibitari ino. Thutha wa kwaraniria na arugamiriri a thibitari uyu, kamiti ino ni yugite ndinakenio ni itumiria maheanite ciegie ndeto ino.
We are not satisfied because the truth of the matter is the lady did not deliver inside the facility. The gate was locked to her, she was denied. They are trying to lay blame on the private security that have been contracted here, but we still also want a statement from that private security.
Kamiti ino ni yongereire ati ruhonge rwa DCI na kamiti ya kuhurana na ungumania EACC ni megwika uthuthuria mukinyaniru kwenjera ndeto ino.
And we've also noted a lot of the harmonization between NMS and the county government, because there is blame between the NMS, they are also blaming the county government. We've advised for NMS and the hospital to actually get services elsewhere temporarily as the company is investigated. As for now, the Hatari, are they Hatari guards or something? They should stop as we are investigating this issue.
Ningi ni moretie munene wa thitango cia muingi DPP kuhingurira cira mundu o wothe uria ukunyitikana na ihetia o riothe giko-ini giki.
Wale ambao wanatoa security service hapa wakuwe suspended immediately until this matter is heard and concluded, and if they are found culpable, we are not only recommending as a Senate, we will recommend a prosecution, and if the DPP will not prosecute, we might even as a committee, because we have powers to institute a private prosecution for that abuse of human dignity and negligence. Nairobi Metropolitan Services to start immediate audit of all security providers across our county city hospitals, because this is not the first time where the security guards are harassing Kenyan.
No murugamiriri munene wa ugima wa mwiri kaunti-ini ya Nairobi Ndagĩtarĩ Ouma Oluga ni acungire muhera kuri mutumia ucio na bururi wothe.
Yale ambayo alitendeka, vile sisi tulisema kama Nairobi Metropolitan Services tuliomba msamaha na pia tukasema ya kwamba huduma ilipeanwa baadaye, mama ako sawa, mtoto ako sawa, na sisi hatuna kitu yote ya kuficha. Kama NMS tujawahi jifunza kuficha kitu yote na hatutawahi ficha kitu yote, kwa sababu sisi tunataka kupeana huduma za afya according to the constitution.
All staff, the salaries and their working conditions will be harmonized, and all nurses and doctors and clinical officers who work in Mbagathi, in Mama Lucy and these other health facilities in Nairobi City County would be paid the same as the medical officers in Kenyatta Hospital.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Jeta Gitau wa Wanjikũ.